universe is extremely big. It consists of stars, the sun, asteroids, meteors, planets, and many other things. A galaxy is a group of stars, gas, and dust held together by gravity. There are three types of galaxies: elliptical, irregular, and spiral shaped. The theories that explain the formation of the universe are the Nebula Theory and the Big Bang Theory. They differ in many aspects. Here, my friends will be explaining more in detail.
The universe is extremely big. Have you ever been wondering what are the objects in the universe? There are galaxies. The stars. The planets. The moon. The asteroids, comets, and the meteorites.
Next, I'm going to talk about Nebula Theory. So this theory, it holds that our solar system are formed from a giant spinning interstellar cloud of gas and dust. So it has 6 phases on how it's formed, and I'm going to talk about 3 of the phases. So first one, the gas cloud will start to collapse on itself due to its gravitational pull. So as it collapses, it will rotate and flattens. And it comes to the second phase where the central part of the gas cloud will form the sun. It's where the nuclear reaction will start in its core. So the third phase, the dust grains and ice crystal will start to condense out of flattened gas disk. So grains grow via collision to form the planetesimal.
At phase 4, the planets will grow by successive bombardment of planetesimals. Planetesimals will combine near the Sun to form rocky planets. The planetesimals will also combine beyond the frost line to form icy planetesimals, which gravitationally capture hydrogen or helium far from the Sun to form gas planets. Eventually, there will be no more planetesimals left. The outer massive planets grab the remain of the gas from the cloud. At this phase, solid planets are formed. Moving on to phase 5, the gaseous planet is formed. However, there's still some debris such as asteroids and comets that occasionally hit the planets. Each gas planet forms its own miniature solar nebula. Moons are formed out of the disk.
Do you guys have idea about Big Bang Theory? Is it a no? Then I will explain to you the basic things you need to know about Big Bang Theory. Actually, the universe was said to begin about 14.4 billion years ago. The Big Bang Theory states that in the beginning, the universe was all in one place. All of its matter and energy were crushed into an infinitely small point and individuality. Then it exploded. The tremendous amount of material blown out by the explosion eventually formed the stars and galaxies. After about 10 billion years, our solar system began to form. It was Einstein's theory of relativity gave us a better understanding of gravity, and Edwin Hubble discovered that galaxies are moving apart from one another in a way that fits previous predictions. So thanks to both of them.
In conclusion, the universe is very large and to this day is still expanding. The universe is full of mysteries, and one of them is the mystery regarding how the universe was formed. The creation of the universe is not known, and we can only theorize how it was formed. The two famous theories commonly associated with the creation of the universe are the Big Bang Theory and the Nebula Theory, but these two theories do have their own weaknesses. Not only are there planets in the universe, but there are other objects like meteors, asteroids, and stars. Let me leave you with a question. Are there still things that we have not found in the universe? Thank you for watching.